Welcome. In this lesson, we'll explore how to check if a given number lies within a specified range using JavaScript. This is the common utility for validations, data filtering, and more in web applications. Let's get started. This function ensures a number falls within a provided range, if only one boundary is given. The function assumes the range starts at 0 and goes to that number. The function compares the number against the range boundaries. It also supports a fallback range from 0 to start, and handles reverse ranges by swapping values when needed. The logic uses simple comparisons and uses a clever destructuring swap technique to handle ranges in any order. This makes it robust and reusable for many scenarios. With different combinations of inputs, the function correctly identifies whether the number is inside or outside the specified range. It adapts flexibly to missing or reverse parameters. This utility is widely used for validating form fields, handling interactive sliders, and even checking player movement in games. It is simple but extremely practical. This helper function provides a clean way to provide ranges in any JavaScript project. With its smart handling of inputs, it is both powerful and reliable. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.